What if a family home started as a patch of dirt? No easy path. A foundation must be carved. Walls will rise by crane. A structure built by hand. The first challenge, a square start. The yellow laser shoots across the lot. 60 feet of run. They mark the corners. Wood forms follow the light. 2x6 boards. Simpson framing screws hold them tight, stronger than duplex nails. Footings mean hard work, bent over in the dirt. But the order of operations matters. They place spreader cleats, 16 inches wide. Spacing verified. Stakes lock it all in. String lines pull the runs true. The skeleton is ready. Steel rebar sits in the trench. Orange spacers keep it off the dirt. 3 inches of clearance, everything tied down before the pour. Next, the laser level. He races around the perimeter, setting stakes. A solid tone means missile lock, the exact height for the concrete. An imperfect process, but the forms hold the shape. The layout has point loads. Shear walls need deep anchor points. Extra concrete. Extra strength. The pump truck arrives. The mix is loose but heavy. 3,000 psi fills the wooden forms. Then the Makita vibrator goes to work. It consolidates the mix, but pushes out the air bubbles, wraps the mud tight around the steel. Any spillover gets scooped back in. The heavy hose drags across the dirt. It takes muscle to guide it. Pouring stiff against the boards reduces waste. Concrete work is brutal. It's all or nothing. Once the mud flows, the crew can't stop. They race the cure time. The concrete sets. Time to strip the footing boards. Scrape them clean, stack them up. Order of operations is everything. A clean site cuts the chaos. With the trenches clear, layout begins again. The yellow laser returns. They measure 5 inches in. Eyeball the corners, finding the exact center for the walls. The laser sweeps until it finds the receiver. A perfect square. They tack cleats into the green concrete. It holds the line against rain. The angle grinder bites into steel. Sparks fly. Rebar is cut to length. The vertical steel is tied in place. Fast and precise. A new day. Blue skies. The crew rolls out the vapor retarder. White plastic covers the stone. Stego tape seals the seams. It blocks moisture from the earth. The wind fights them. A utility knife slices the excess. A tight seal before the walls rise. The treated mud sill goes down next. No foam beneath it. A high-pressure nailer drives steel pins. 315 psi straight into the concrete. The board is forced to the line. Then the yellow insulation board. A Hilti powder-actuated tool fires. It pins the dense board flush. 2 shots per panel. A fast, one-person job. Metal joist hangers are hammered tight. The layout begins. He pinches the tape measure at 16 inches, marks the wood. A continuous line ensures perfection. The circular saw cuts the rim joist. No wasted movement. The rim is nailed off, 6 inches on center, a solid perimeter for the floor system. Finally, the blocking, essential strength for the deck. The floor skeleton is done. Heavy yellow subfloor panels arrive. The first row dictates the rest. One mistake here echoes across the deck. They stagger the sheets. An 8-foot panel meets a 4-foot panel. Strength through overlapping seams. A track saw cuts them to size. Factory-level edges. A handheld router trims the overhang, fast and clean. The pneumatic nailer finishes the job, 6 inches around the rim. The deck is sealed tight. Next, they mark the deck for walls, measuring off the treated mud sill. Every stud location is marked, stacking the load down to the concrete. The floor is a flat workbench. Sheer walls are built on the deck. Now the telehandler crane takes over. The massive frame swings into the sky. It lowers gently onto the mudsill. The crew guides it home, checking for plumb. A coil nailer locks the bottom plate. The first wall stands. They pack the green sheathing. Then they tack it, a storm of nails. 6 inches on center. The perimeter must be flawless. Dust covers the deck. A quick blowout keeps the site safe. Boundary nailing locks the trimmer studs. The envelope gets stronger. The ultimate test. The massive rake wall is fully sheathed. A 30-foot yellow strap wraps the frame. The telehandler engine growls. Tension hits the line. The strap auto-adjusts. Wood and nails peel off the deck. One slip drops it all, up and over. The peak requires a massive glulam beam. The telehandler inches it forward. Rigging points act as a center pivot, a delicate dance in mid-air, over the ridge toward the steel pocket. The beam drops, a perfect fit, tooth to tooth. Decades of snow load will rest here. The skeleton is complete. months of labor, finally visible. Exposed wood is now crisp white siding. A modern farmhouse rises from the dirt. Bold black windows cut through the white. Shingles texture the gables. A dirt lot shaped by hand. A frame anchored to the stone, and a finished home that stands tall. True craftsmanship leaves a mark.